ሶ ብዙ ጊዜ ወንድ አረግ ነበረ ለምን ሳወራ ሀሳቦችን ሳወራ ጭንቅላቴ ላይ እንደሰማዋቸው አይደለም ካፌ ሲወጡ ፊልም አደርገውና it used to bother me like why ለምን ብዬ ጠይቅ ነበርና the answer that I got is ሰዎች ስታወሯቸው ኢንፎርሜሽን ብቻ አይደለም መስማት የሚፈልጉት they want to feel what you are saying to them. Now, how can I be more persuasive? Because it's not that I'm actually a bad kid. And then they learn important ሀሳቦችን ለሰዎች ሳጋራ, which I love doing. I love sharing ideas with people. Sometimes I see them zone out as I'm speaking. So for the sake of speaking, I'll speak it. The back of my mind just wasted another set of words አይነት ፊሊንግ ነው የሚሰማኝ የነበረውና ለምንድን ነው how can I be more persuasive እያልኩኝ more intensive, the way I speak has to change, dramatic መሆን አለብኝ ምናምን አይነት ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይ was የቴክኒክ ጉዳይ ነበር። ኦኬ እንደዚህ ብዬ ባወራ ኢንፎርሜሽን እንደዚህ ስትራክቸር ባደርገው እነዚህን ሀሳቦች ስነግራቸው would be more persuasive or outcome of more persuasive አይነት ነገር ነበረ. But then what I realized is, especially as I started to work on my voice, ሰዎች ስትነግሯቸው ፊል ማድረግ ይፈልጋሉ። just information ብቻ አይደለም ፕሮሰስ የሚያደርገው. Now there is the intellectual and the emotional part to being persuasive. So emotionally present መሆን አለብኝ so that people can feel what I'm saying and can be persuaded. So what I realized is እኔ በመፈልገው ልክ persuasive እያልኩኝ ያልነበረው just ኢንፎርሜሽኑ ስለሌለኝ ወር ብናገራቸው ሀሳቦች አሪፍ ስላልሆኑ ሳይሆን it's because emotionally present አልነበርኩም. Being emotionally present means ስታወሩ you're also feeling, there's በድምጻችሁ ውስጥ you're carrying emotions, whether good or bad. Well, there's no good or bad emotion, right? Again, yeah. What's perceived good and bad, I think that works. But whatever it is that we're expressing, emotionally present, if there's no emotion in the way we communicate, then it's very hard for other people to also feel what we're telling them or what we are saying to them. So I need to get a number to figure out which is, how do I make people feel a certain type of way when I speak? Because one of the elements of being persuasive is making people feel, whether you're making them feel safe, you're making them feel seen, or whatever it is. Say ያደርጋችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ሀሳብ እየነገራችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል, or just telling them stories, or ደግሞ you're trying to sell yourself in a positive way, of course. People have to feel. እና የኔ ችግር የነበረው because I had this emotional habit of suppressing my emotions rather than expressing them. Led into me ሳወራ monotonous እንደሆነ አንደኛ my voice, which is the thing that I'm still working on. And at the same time my ability to be persuasive was limited because emotionally expressive ባለመሆኔ እና ሳወራ even though ማወራው ሀሳብ ማነሳው ነገር ጥሩ ምናምን ቢሆንም the way I communicate lacked emotional presence, and so created the disconnect between what I'm telling people and what they're feeling. So after I realized that, okay, I said to myself, technical ማወቅ ምናምን ጥሩ ነው፣ ኢንፎርሜሽን እንዴት ስትራክቸር መደረግ እንዳለበት so that people can understand ማወቁ ጥሩ ነው፣ ግን at the same time I have to learn to express the feelings, the emotions as well. and ራሱን ያለ ሌላ ስራ ነው፣ but መሰረታዊ እና አስፈላጊ በጣም ፈንዳሜንታል የሆነ ስራ, especially when we're talking about communicating, because communicating is just ብሎ ከአፋችን ቃላቶችን ማስወጣት ሳይሆን it's actually understanding ሌላኛውን ሰውዬ እና giving them the opportunity to also understand us. እና ደግሞ takes a certain level of vulnerability. So the more vulnerable you can be, and the more expressive of yourself that you can be, the better of a communicator you'll become. So that's what I realized. Slazy, now I'm working on, okay, how can I express myself authentically? Like, hey, እንደዚህ ፐርሲቭ ሊያደርጉኝ ይችላል፣ እንደዛ ፐርሲቭ ሊያደርጉኝ ይችላል ብዬ ራሴን ሴንሰር ሳላደርግ ራሴን ሪዘርቭ ሳላደርግ what's the proper way to express myself and my emotions properly? And I think people do actually care about what we want to tell them. They want to know about us. Not big part of that is ነገር እኛ ህይወት ላይ happen ሲያደርግ, let's say some event happened in our life and ሌላ ሰው እየነገርን ነው, people doesn't just want to hear about the information, you know, እንደዚህ happen አድርጎ ከዛ እንደዚህ happen አድርጎ ምናምን ብቻ ሳይሆን whatever happened, how did it make me feel የሚለውን ማወቅ ይፈልጋሉና my realize ያላረኩትኝ this emotional habit was I don't talk about my emotions. So it takes the colors off of everything that I'm speaking about. You know, yeah, even to describe Sharak, I'm just telling you the raw information. There's no emotions attached to it, but I think I would have added more colors to whatever it is that I'm saying if I had added my emotions to it. That's what I've learned. So in order for me to become more persuasive, more expressive, more መቻል አለብኝ, and ራሴን freely express ማድረግ መቻል whatever it is that I'm feeling, along with, you know, ዝም ብሎ መለፍለፍ ምናምን ሳይሆን whatever it is that I'm feeling, my emotions, I have to learn to express them also. Now I have to build that emotional presence that makes people feel safe in order for them to hear whatever it is that I'm saying. So I think two things that I learned, ሁለት ኤሌመንት አለው to be persuasive. Of course ሌሎችም ነገሮች ሊኖሩት ይችላሉ። ሁለቱ ነገሮች ናቸው emotional presence and the way information is structured. So I think the information structure ማድረጉ የትኛው ይጠቅማል የትኛው አይጠቅም፣ ቀላል ተርሚኖሎጂዎች፣ ቀላል የሆነ, you know, structured የሆነ information so that people can consume it and understand it. At the same time, they have to feel it, which is the second element, is the emotional presence. Whenever you speak, whenever you are communicating, your voice should also carry those emotions that are appropriate with whatever it is that you're saying or you're telling other people. That's what የተማርኩት ነገር እሱ ነው, and that's what I'm working on. So if you don't feel like you're persuasive enough or የምታወሩት ነገር ምናምን ጭንቅላታችሁ ላይ ሳውንድ እንዳደረገው ካልሆነ እንትን የሚለው, maybe think about how you are expressing yourself, whether or not ራሳችሁን ኤክስፕረስ እያደረጋችሁ. I think that works. That's it.